Hello students, let's continue our poem From a Railway Carriage by Robert Louis Stevenson. In this poem, we will see his experiences and views related to our railway carriage and railway journey. The poet shares his experience of a railway journey. He explains the train speed and all the natural scene which he looked from a railway carriage. Let us see line by line from a railway carriage. Faster than ferries, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle, all of the sides of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain, and never again and ever again in the wink of an eye painted stations whistle by. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering bambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is the green for stringing the daisies. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone for ever. In the first stanza, we see that poet wrote faster than fairies. Fairies, fairies, is the magical creature. Fairies, the train speed, the train running in a speed that poet experiences, that train running faster than these fairies, faster than witches. Witches, I told you yesterday, a woman who is believed to have magical power. Bridges and houses. Bridges, houses also, that train is running faster than these things also. Hedges and ditches. Hedges, I told you yesterday, a line of bushes or small trees. The train is running faster than these bushes or small trees. Ditches, a long, narrow, open channel dug into the ground, usually at the side of road or field. And charging along, and that train charging along like troops in a battle. Troop, I told you, group of soldiers, that group of soldiers charging in a battlefield, warfield. All through the meadows, the horses and cattle. All through the meadows. Meadows, a field with grass and often wild flowers in it. Meadows and cattle. In the picture you are seeing cattles. All of the sides of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain. All of the sights scenes of the hill, mountains, and the plain grounds. And ever again, in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. And ever again, in the wink of eye, just as we blink our eyes, these painted stations, different stations, whistle by. Whenever train reach in that station, that stations, they whistle, they give some horns. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles. Here is a child who try to climb up and scrambles. Scrambles, he try to move quickly but with difficulty, often using hands. Here is a child the poet saw. In the third stanza, poet saw a child who tried to climb and move quickly all by himself and gathering brambles. All by himself, that child tried to do these things all by himself and try to gathering brambles. Brambles, a wild bush with thorn that produces blackberries. That boy tried to gather these blackberries. Here is a here is a tramp who stands and gazes. Here is a tramp, a person with no home, no job or no money who travels around and asks for money from other people, a wanderer. Here the poet saw a tramp, jobless person who stands and gazes. He was looking continuously. And there is a green, and there is the green. Everywhere he found greenery is there, green grass is there, green plants are there. For who stands and gazes, and there is the green for stringing the daisies, and there is the green for stringing the daisies. Daisies, small flowers. You are seeing in the picture, small flowers, daisies, stringing daisies. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. Then he saw a cart carriage, some carriage where bullocks are pulling. Here is a cart run away in the road. That cart was running away in the road. He saw from the train. Lumping means moving with jerk, moving with so many jerk. Lumping along with the man and load. One man you are seeing in the picture and load. Some load is also you are seeing in that picture. And here is a mill and there is a river. Here is a mill factory. He found one factory outside the railway. He found one factory and there is a river also. Each a glimpse and gone forever. Each a glimpse. Glimpse something that you see for a very short time. Glimpses. These are the glimpses. These things he experienced while he was traveling through that train. Thank you.